My name is Joseph. I come from JLS Middle School, and this is my finished product of the Pi Portal for your Choose Your Own Adventure display. So what my project does right now is it displays my project story and visuals that I plan to use in the second milestone. So I just implemented it from my computer to here so you can see it here. So now if we flip through each of these panels, like frames, are a card in my JSON file. And then each one can move around if I press the button. So each button is linked to a different card. So if we have, I made about 100 of these. So if we just lay them down and each button will just teleport them to a different card. So that's how the thing basically works. I made a flowchart demonstrating how my project exactly works here. So it starts, there's one card, it gets from the database I have in my folders, then it goes to display and it asks if there is a button press at all. If there's no button press, then it just keeps asking for a button press until it gets one. Then it moves to whatever card I linked it to. And then now it's just an infinite loop on like what this card from the button is. And then until we get to an ending, so if I move to an ending here, so this is an ending, and I put my visuals up here and a bit of text and like how the ending goes. So some challenges I faced in third milestone were definitely that the text boxes that I worked with, I added too much text in some of them, so they overlapped onto the buttons and made them really hard to read. The solution to this problem was to create extra slides, like you see here. No, and then this and this used to be one text, but that couldn't fit on the card without overlapping, so I split them into two, and now that helps with the pacing of the game to make it feel more natural. Another problem, this one about the flowchart. All right, here. So the main problem I had with this is I didn't fully understand my code when I first started this. So it took some time to figure out like what my code does, but overall after I learned it, it feels like a really good experience because it really helped with the making up the JSON files and others. And I think it'll help me later in the websites too. Anyway, moving forward, I hope to do some modifications to my PyPortal. I got plans for a second chapter with AI taken from another project, similar to this one. So I hope to do it. It might take some time. It might be not be possible to finish in time, but with enough hard work, I think I can get it done. Thank you.